Up for sale today, I got a 1958 Chevy Impala, finished in Rio red with red interior, the red, black, white stripe interior. Um, it has a 348 big block motor, vintage AC, power front disc brakes with drilled rotors, and power steering. And I will take it around the car, show you the flaws, show you what it's got going on. It's a real cool car. Take a second, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click that down below, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and thank you, I appreciate it. So here we go. A real clean car, real pretty paint. Hubcap car, nice dual exhaust. A little bit of pitting here on the chrome, just in that area, not on the other side. So like I said, it's a 348, not a tri-power, one carburetor car. Aluminum heads. I think it's a Edelbrock 409 aluminum heads. I'll show you that when I get to the engine compartment. Other than that, paint doesn't have a lot of flaws on it. Okay, so the glass, the driver's side window is cracked. I bought a brand new piece of glass, and it will be included with the car. So, do not worry about that. Very nice interior, nice door panels, nice carpet, nice seats, nice painted dash. No rips or tears in the seat. On the seats, it has seat belts. Back seats are nice as well. Carpet is nice, not faded at all. Also very nice headliner with both working lights on top. Previously long time owned in Oklahoma. And father had passed away, son sold it, so there's a little mark right there, like a little scratch. I actually got a bunch of dust that just came on the car out of nowhere. And another one right there. Nice body. I love this model of the car. The 58 design itself is gorgeous, and then the higher up you go, tier-wise, or like rarity-wise, expense-wise, like how much you wanted to pay for the car, the Impala has it all. Continental kit too. I forgot to say that. Impala Continental kit. Dual exhaust. Nice trunk, finished, painted. Trunk mat. It has two spares. It has a spare in here and a spare in the trunk. Very nice rear bumper, rear chrome. All the trim is nice. I don't have too much to say about the car. I believe it was an original Snowcrest white car, but the previous owner painted it real red. Door jambs are nice. Got a little shit on the carpet from my shoes. No rips on the carpet. Again, carpet's not faded. Nice seats, not sunken in at all. Doors open and close nicely. Windows go up and down as they're supposed to. Nice body, nice paint, real bright and shiny. All the chrome shines up nicely. So there you got it, 1958 Impala 348, vintage AC, power front disc with drilled rotors, and power steering, Continental kit, Oreo red with red interior. I'll show you the driving video now. I'll fire it up. We'll take it around the block. You can see that, listen to it run. Again, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. Like the video if you like it. It'll be for sale on nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay later today. And thank you very much. All right, here you got it, 348. Aluminum heads. Actually, Edelbrock 409 Performance aluminum heads. The power disc brakes, the vintage AC, power steering's down there. And fire it up now.